Did you see any? We spoke about people that could have faked it and got into the academy, and when real life situation comes, तभी वो पकड़ा जाएगा. आप जब war में थे, in the middle of that high tension environment, what was the situation like around you? There were a lot of strong people, I'm sure, but
Yeah.
were there people who were like freaking out and they were like, ये क्या हो रहा है? मुझे घर जाना है.
No, because when I went into Operation Talwar, so yeah, so just to give you a clarity, Kargil War is 1999. What all of us know Kargil War. So that is a very बोलते हैं ना कोई चीज़ को फेमस होना है. अभी बैंड्रा में हम बैठे हैं तो एवरीवन विल से कि मन्नत है यहाँ पे, ये है शाहरुख खान का. सो कारगिल वॉर इज़ अ प्लेस. कारगिल जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, so media was, this was the first time when media was directly telecasting a war. And Barkha Dutt and all of you know that many people, so that also gave advantage to Pakistan. They were knowing क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे करके.
Okay.
So that is the disadvantage of that. So उन्होंने कारगिल 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 बोल के everyone know it as Kargil war. But it was Operation Vijay. Vijay is a tri-services war. It was not only of army. So it was for navy. We called it as Operation Talwar, and Air Force called it as Operation Safed Sagar. So this was a tri-services war. अब prominently it was happening there. कारगिल में ऊपर पाकिस्तान बैठे थे, वहाँ से गोली मार रहे थे, बंदूक ये जो भी पत्थर फेंक रहे थे, all those things, artillery and all. And we were at a disadvantaged position. Someone ऊपर बैठे, हम नीचे, तो that you become a sitting duck for them.
Yeah.
But it was that sheer guts, sheer training what you had in your academy, and the young 22, 23 years old leading their pack of men to, मालूम है उनको कि suicide है करके,
Yeah.
but वो पूरा strategy, रात को जाना ये करके, the likes of Captain Vikram Batra sir, Captain Manoj Pandey,
Yeah.
and then Yogendra Yadav, and they are the 4 PVCs, Paramveer Chakras,
Yeah.
and many of them Mahavir Chakras and things like that. So what I'm here saying here is कि वो पूरे guts और glory, grits और glory पे जीता हुआ war है ये.
Yeah.
And that was, average age was 22 and 23 years old.
Yeah.
Right. Coming back to that question, so army was very prominent there. Now the strategic role of navy and air force. Air force was there. Air force भी war में थी, Ajay Ahuja and so many people. You would remember squadron ये, फिर Nachiketa, flight lieutenant. He was the first one who was captured as prisoner of war. Navy का role was very prominent, very dominant, but was not reported.
Okay.
तो हम लोग कैसे पाकिस्तान, so if you see our entire globe, it is more of water.
Correct.
71-29 का रेशियो है, राइट. सो ऑब्वियसली पाकिस्तान इज अ पोर्ट कंट्री.
Yeah.
वहाँ पर तो हमने क्या किया, नेवल चीफ वॉज एडमिरल सुशील कुमार. जब ये वॉर हुई थी, जब वॉर होने वाला था, तो नेवी एडमिरल सुशील कुमार वॉज द फर्स्ट वन टू से ये फुल फ्लेज जाते हैं वॉर में करके. इट वुड नॉट बी ऐसे छोटा मोटा जाते हैं करके.
Okay.
So he was the first one to render that support, and 33 ships, 33 naval ships, many submarines and marine commandos, ये सारे जाके ओखा, गुजरात का ओखा is close to that ये.
Okay.
And we blocked the entire logistics of Pakistan.
Okay.
So because अगर आपके यहाँ logistics ही नहीं आएगा बाहर से, it's all trade ना, जो अंदर आता है, खत्म, फ्यूल व्हील सब. सो इट वॉज टोल्ड, इट इज़ रिटर्न ऑल्सो, इट इज़ अ डॉक्यूमेंटेड थिंग कि वो कंट्री में सिर्फ 6 दिन का फ्यूल था.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
सिर्फ 6 दिन का फ्यूल बचा था.
Okay.
और बहुत सारे चीज़ों का अभाव हो गया था वहाँ पे, बिकॉज वी वेर ओपनली टेलिंग कि हुएवर कम्स इन वी विल शूट.
Okay.
तो भले यू आर यूएसएसआर, वी डोंट केयर.
Trade vessel, merchant vessel, doesn't
कोई
matter.
भी आओ. एक कोरियन वेसल को हमने पकड़ भी लिया था.
Okay.
दे वेर सप्लाइंग सम मिसाइल पार्ट्स टू पाकिस्तान.
Okay.
एंड देन there is a written document wherein the Pakistani Navy chief had told to their ships and submarines, all of you run away करके, तुम पोर्ट के अंदर आके छुप जाओ, because ये लोग पागल हो गए करके. So this was the documented thing.
And you were there in that situation.
So out of that 33 ships, one of those ships, I was a sub-lieutenant, first posting, first training posting.
Okay.
And then eventually, again, that superpower, probably he wanted you to, whatever 10 years you serve, कि ये भी देख के जाकर.
Yeah.
So I was in that ship, one of those ships, and which was the frontline ship, जो 4 में जो आगे थी, P-44 बोल के ship है, commanded by then commander Ravi Malan बोल के. He was a ferocious tiger बोलते थे उनको. He is no more, cancer से succumb हुआ अभी.
Okay.
So जो situation देखा as a 22 years old, for me it was, you know, होता है ना कि यार ये पहला तो डर लगता है, पहला जब बोला तो, because you know मेरा ये था कि पूरी सैलरी भी आई नहीं थी, स्टाइपेंड पे चल रहे थे तब तक,
Okay.
सैलरी आने वाली थी, फिर वो होता है ना कि अरियर्स आने वाला था एकेडमी के, एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी कि फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक चौल से ऊपर आएंगे करके, यू नो माय एंटायर फैमिली विल कम अप विद मी. एंड हियर देयर वाज अ सिचुएशन कि वॉर में जा रही, यू नेवर नो, बिकॉज आर्मी में कैसे इट्स अ इंडिविजुअल थिंग, देयर इज ग्लोरी, इंडिविजुअल ग्लोरी, एंड नेवी में वैसे नहीं, जहाज जब जाएगा जाएगा, राइट, पूरा. सो वो पूरे माहौल में, टू आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन, आई नेवर सॉ एनीवन ऐसे बिना कि कहाँ फंस गए करके. एवरीवन न्यू देयर थिंग, एवरीवन वाज proud enough. Yes, there were silent moments जब वो, you know, when people used to get time, people used to think about their families, obviously, you know, all of us are humans, but that feeling of euphoria and being there for your country, that took over everything.
Duty comes first.
Yeah, duty comes, because nation first, now that is the ethos we always work.
Yeah.
And even today I always propagate that nation comes first.
Beautiful, sir.
So yeah, so that was an experience.
Respect you all for this. Yeah.
No, 100%, sir. Because, like my granddad, it's actually so I get very emotional while talking, listening to all these things, because my granddad was part of multiple wars. He was part of the Portuguese liberation of Goa.
Okay.
He was part of the Indo-China war, the Indo-Pakistan war, and he has always told me these stories about how, like, there was not even media back in the day. That time, my grandmom was in Belgaum, my hometown, and my granddad was in the border, and tabhi my grandmom used to get bullied by all the neighbors and all that. अरे तेरा पति तो मर गया ना, वहाँ तो लड़ाई चल रही है. And that time there was no telephone, nothing. वहाँ पे letters also were like,
Correct.
during a war situation you're not allowed to communicate
Correct.
continuously with your family. My grandfather was willing to sacrifice himself for the nation on the border, while my grandmom was going through so much traumatic situations at home. So I totally understand like how much defense people put on line for the country. It's such a selfless act where you're willing to give up everything, whether it's your mental peace of your family, not only yourself, whether it's your own life, and so many other things. Like we as ordinary civilians of the country, we cannot even comprehend what, even though my grandfather has told me all these stories, I still not will be able to put myself in his shoes and understand like what he was going through, Tabhi.
Very true.